This video will introduce you to Enlighten. We'll provide you with an overview of the two versions of Enlighten, explain how customer accounts are created, and describe how the Installer Toolkit mobile app fits into your daily workflow. The Enlighten software comes in two versions: Enlighten Manager for solar professionals and My Enlighten for homeowners. Enlighten Manager is where your team will do its work, activating, monitoring, and maintaining all the systems in your fleet. My Enlighten is the consumer interface that lets the homeowner easily check their production. If the homeowner has installed consumption monitoring and storage with the Enphase AC battery, they can also check these on My Enlighten too. The homeowner's My Enlighten account is created when you submit an activation form for their system. Their account is based on the information you provide on the form. You'll use Enlighten Manager to submit an activation form for each system you install. The activation form is usually submitted by your operations or admin team before your install crews head out to the job site, but it can be completed at any point after the sales contract has been signed. The activation form is what creates the customer's My Enlighten account, and it is also what associates the physical hardware installed at the site with the new My Enlighten account. When you know the Envoy's serial number, you'll add it to the activation for that site, either directly on the form in Enlighten Manager or using the Installer Toolkit in the field. When the customer's Envoy reports to Enlighten for the first time, it will upload all the device information for that site and associate the hardware with the activation you set up. The homeowner will receive their My Enlighten account information when all activation stages are complete. You can check the status of an activation using the checklist right on the form. After the activation is completed and the system is functional for 24 hours, the homeowner login credentials are sent out via email. This 24-hour waiting period is designed to ensure that the homeowner has good data to review before they take a tour of their monitoring system. Of course, your crews don't need to wait 24 hours to confirm the system is operational. This is where the Installer Toolkit application comes in. With Installer Toolkit, your crews will configure and verify operation of the systems they install while they are at the job site. While the Installer Toolkit is essential for on-site crews, it is not something that can be shared with homeowners. Only members of installation companies with a valid Enlighten ID can log into Toolkit. To learn more about Enlighten and the Installer Toolkit, please visit our Getting Started page at enphase.com/getting started.